Hello YouTube, how you guys doing? Trying to be trying to fix my AC. The guy that fixed this AC unit did a shady job. Very shady. You know? He didn't do a good job at all. Bad job. So look at that. He replaced the unit and then look at this. Big hole. Huge hole. See that? Nah. Listen. See, that's a bad job. Very. That's the AC guy, you know. He fixed it. I replaced this inside unit. Actually, you know. Look at it. See that? It's a bad job. Actually, I didn't. That's the old inside unit. He replaced the outside unit. So if you replace the outside unit, I mean, why you make a big mess? Look at that. That's a huge hole. And then he just finished and then left it just like that for his dad to fix. You know? So he think his dad gonna fix it for him, you know? And I'm probably gonna fix it. The AC starting. You know? So is that? Very quiet. It's a quiet unit, you know what I mean? It's a massive. It's huge. It's a big unit. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna fix it because I can't leave it the way it is. And this is his job. But at least he put some tape around here. And so I gotta fix it. So I have some what do you call this? The net. Those net. Right now it's nighttime, so I'm using this net right here, as you guys can see. So to cover it up. Then I got a small ladder. I'm using this small ladder here so I can climb, because that thing it's high. You know what I'm saying? So and then the plaster I'm using is this plaster here. This plaster is good. This kind of is a very good plaster, you know. It's not a commercial, but as you guys can see, you know what I mean? It might help, you know what I mean? Anything that can help, that will work. So I had this for a while. I don't know if it's still good, but it looked good to me. You know what I'm saying? I had that bucket for a while. So as you guys can see that? That's the plaster. So like I said, the AC guy, he did do a good job. So right now, I have to do a good job for him. Right now I'm still a one-man show. Still a one-man show right now. So I'm gonna try to fix that mother flowers up, because I will never call this guy again. He didn't do a good job. So if he just fixing he replaced the outside unit, not the inside unit, and he make that big mess just the way it is. Like this is huge. So imagine if he was replaced the whole inside, the inside unit, outside and inside. So he was gonna cut the whole ceiling and just leave it like that. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see that. Bear with me right now. It's one-man show, guys. It's one-man show. So what do you expect? One-man show, you know what I'm saying? As long as you guys can see it, that'll work, you know? So that's a small ladder, man. Don't want to fall down now. So here we go. This is where we're running. So trying to get those pieces out. See that? This is a big mess. Big mess, man. Can't leave this like that. Any big animal can just come in here to this thing, you know what I'm saying? You see how big that thing is? That can fit a dog or a big cat. You know what I'm saying? Or a tiger, who knows? You know, anything can fit to this big thing here. So, dusty too. I don't have no mask. But I have no mask. Never call him again, man. Never. Even if I see him in the street, I won't even say hi. You know what I'm saying? I told him, you know, oh, I'm sorry, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry what? And then he didn't come. Oh. She was to come back and fix that my bar thing. He never come back. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not a handyman, but I'm gonna try to do something here. So I'm gonna try to put the net here. I'm putting the net so I can put the plaster. That thing, that net thing. See this? Whatever it is, so I'm trying to put this unit is very good. See, it didn't run for long. It's a good unit, man. It costs money, but it's worth it, you know. So the flip. So it's see what I'm saying? See, cover it up with that net. So I will apply. So I'm gonna use this little, see that thing here? That's what you call it. If I can, you guys can see it here. This little pin here, just to kind of put it in the cylinder and hold it for now. And I got another one. Shoot. Oh, damn it. Okay. Oh, shoot. Fall down again. Okay. Hold with me, guys. One man show. What do you expect? One man show. So I'm trying to see. You know what I'm saying? This, you see? That guy, I just pin it right there. And shit, fall again for some reason. Think I want to stay. It's very dusty, you know. I know how the camera is gonna come. Shoot. Where did that thing go? So, where did it go? You know what? So, anyway, I don't know let that stop us, so. It's one man show. What do you expect? One man show. Okay, let's get back to business. So like I said, I'm gonna use this plaster here. Okay. So let me see here. Here's the plaster here. So I don't know how it's gonna react to it, but it's been a while. to mix it up. It's been a while. Will it work? I don't know. But I've been sitting here for a little while. Okay. So mix it up. Hit the plaster. I've been well. So let's see what happened here, man. The AC guy didn't do a good job, so now I'm trying to fill this in. You know? Shit. This thing is huge, man. You know what I mean? This is huge. This is not a joke. Huh? Yeah, this is serious. This is serious, guys. Yeah, this is serious. This is a serious thing. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna try to see if I can build up some here and then let it hard, little by little. Let it dry. Now I don't want to put a lot. I'm trying to build this. I don't know if you guys can see this here. You know, when you don't have anybody to hold that camera for you, it's good. This is a difficult position. I don't know how this video will come out, but I'm trying it anyway. You know what I'm saying? This is very, difficult spot, you know, especially you're trying to tell me he's not handyman, so he's just an AC guy. Yeah, but if you're an AC guy, you should be able to you break the damn thing and patch it up. I don't know. Supposed to have some plaster in your truck, and I don't know what kind of AC guy that mother flower is, because this is insane, man. I'm not an indie guy myself, but try to patch it up as much I can for now. And then when it got hard, I can just feel that this is a difficult spot, you know. Difficult, but I'm gonna put it little here, little there. I don't want to put a lot. So that way it's not too heavy and then it starts falling. I think if you add little here and the side, and then you build it in, then I think that might work. Sometimes you have to use your mind, your imagination to see how it works. I'm in a difficult spot right now. You know the ceiling thing, when you're working in the ceiling, and then if you're not a handyman, it's even worse. See that, guys? So I'm patching it up. Oh shit. See that put too much. When you put too much, it start falling. So I have to build it little by little. And just wanted that leg thing, man. You see it? I'm gonna put a little bit little by little here. And And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a piece of net, cut it. I'm gonna get a more net, you know, piece of net, cut it off, and a one-man show, guys. Just bear with me, you know, bear with me. One-man show, one-man show. Let's see some here. Let me see if you guys can see it here. Maybe if I put the camera like this, maybe you guys might see it better here. Let's see here. If you guys can see it here, a better way. Can you guys see it? Okay. I put the camera down so maybe you guys can see how it is. The two ends. Okay, I think you guys might see it. So I'm cutting some net and add some piece of the net. I don't know how you guys gonna see it. If you guys see it here. So what I'm doing is I'm adding piece of the net. So as a reinforcement. You know what I'm saying, guys? You see that? This whoever invented this thing is good. It's a good guy, man. Thing it worked fine. See that? So I try to put some net around it. So and then I'm gonna add some plasters. I don't know if you guys can see this thing here. I just add plaster. One-man show. And then add plaster like this. This is a very difficult spot too. You know? This guy, man, he's an idiot. He's an idiot, you know? An idiot guy. There you go. I think it's getting better. Getting better, man. So at least build it up here. So there's nothing that can pop in here. You just finish it, take the money and run. Then when you call his ass, hey man, what the hell is this? Oh man, sorry, you know. I think when you coming back to fix the damn thing, he never show up, you know? It's because he have his money. Stupid. Oh my god, you see that? So, like I say, guys, I'm not a Hindi guy or a plastic guy, whatever you call it. Shoot, what the flip? My phone right inside the, damn it. Shoot. The phone full with plaster, guys. A lot of plaster on that thing. Shoot. A lot of plaster. It falls inside the plastic bucket. The phone is, yeah, a lot of plaster on top. The cover, yeah, it fell in the bucket. Yeah. And then it's an iPhone too, you know? iPhone, you know? So iPhone is record good videos. So that, guys. Well, right now, as you guys can see here, I'm trying to cover the hole because I don't want any thing that can get in or get out of this thing. It's huge, you know. So I put the net. So it's not gonna be 100% because it have to be dry, and then when it's dry, I can just reinforce it again and make it smooth. And I don't think I see that with a little bit more net, you know. I think the thing is when it's hardened, I put a little bit here, and then when it start hardening, and then I can just add. That's the good thing about this net. Little by little, it's not bad. It's getting better than, you know, than when he left it. So sometimes you have to do your stuff, you know what I mean? So he make that damage, and then you call the handyman, they're gonna charge you again, more money on top of it. You know, sometimes you might have to do some kind of DIY, you know, do it yourself. You have no choice. So little by little here. So I don't know how the video will come out, because the phone, there's a lot of plaster, and you see how this thing is saggy here? Kinda do a sock. I don't want it like that. I want it to go flat. So, because it's not hard, you know what I'm saying? So, the net, that thing, if I can just do it like this, probably, this thing is not falling, man. It's a big hole, man. This thing is huge. It's a huge hold. You know, see? You know, just, you never know, small people will fit in that hole, you know? It's a big hole. Yeah. Like I said, guys, I don't know how the video will come on again. You see that? You see that, guys? See that? I think keep on. Oh, it's a mess on this phone, man. It's a mess. But I'm not gonna give up. It's a mess, guys. But I've been one man show, and then if you're not holy cow, guys, it's a big mess. Oh yeah, it's messed up. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh damn it. Repair goes wrong. Oh, I think I put too much. I put too much. I put way too much. Yeah, so it become too heavy. Yeah, the net become too heavy, and holy cow! Oh yeah, guys, it's a mess. Oh yeah, it's a mess. I'm telling you guys, big mess. Yeah, it's a big mess. Oh damn it! Yeah, it become too heavy for the. Yeah, too heavy. I guess the plaster become too heavy. I put too much plaster, so that's why it's supposed to be little by little, and then let it dry. Yeah, my hand's already in it already, so yeah, I don't have gloves. I already got screwed up with my phone. My hands got dirty. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess, guys. So I'm not using my hand right now. It's already a mess. It's already a mess. I think it's already a mess. So, you know what? It's already a mess. You know, I think your hand is, I guess, you see that? So I don't want to put too much again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this thing dry, okay? I'm going to let it dry. And then I can put the second. Even my hand get a mess. It's a mess. See that? It's a mess. See? I don't want this thing fall in my eyes now. I don't have glasses. I don't have any safety glasses. Now my hand got them. Get into that sucker. So it is what it is. No matter what, I'm patching it up. So I'm gonna leave it just the way it is and then let it dry and come back and see how it's gonna be. I think that's the only way, guys. Because if I put too much on the net and then it's not hard around it, it will get sag and then fall down because it's a huge hold. The mother flower left me, you know. What a mother flowers. It's an idiot. That's all you have to do. He just left it there, just like that. He left it for his dad to fix it. That's it. Yeah. Now I gotta go clean my phone. I gotta go around this here. Let it. If I can just. I don't think I put too much. I don't want it to get saggy again. You see that? So what I did is I got around it. I don't know if you guys see how it is. So, you know, it's very gentle because I don't want it to get saggy again. I don't want it to get saggy. Okay? Yeah, so it's a mess. Now, the funny thing is, it's a mess. I don't have, my hand is dirty. I don't have a paper towel to just wipe around. So I can turn off the camera. So, guys, like I said, I don't know how the video will come out, but I'm doing it so you guys can see it. If you have end up with a situation like this, like me, so instead of go panic or go spend money right away on top of what you already spent, and then if you can patch it up, you know what I'm saying, you patch it up. So right now I'm gonna leave it like that and let it dry. And then when it's dry, I'm gonna put a second one or a third one to see how it's going to look. Okay, guys? Yeah, that's the way it is for now. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now, let it dry, see, then I'll come back to it. Then right now it's better than before, you know what I'm saying? So I don't think any animals can come to this now. Well, before it was big, as you guys can see. Now it's totally different. So guys, thank you for watching. And my phone is a mess, you know, everything is a mess right now. It's a whole mess. It's unbelievable, man. That thing. Oh man. Okay guys. You guys can see for now. So I'm gonna clean my phone. This is the this is the inside unit. This is the bucket. See that? It was a very difficult job, guys. You can see how high this thing is. It's very high. So imagine I'm working in this, and I'm not even a handyman. So this is it, guys. Here we go. Thank you for watching. So I'm gonna clean my hands and clean the phone. This is a mess. All right, ciao.